With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today's question is an assertion and reason type of question. So we have given 4 options. With this 4 option, we have to select any one option which correctly suits the question. Before answering this question, we have to see whether assertion is right and whether reason is true, and we have to see whether reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Then only we can answer the choose the options. Right, let's get into the question. What the assertion says here, a chemosensitive area is situated adjacent to the rhythm center, which is highly adjacent to the rhythm center, which is highly sensitive to carbon dioxide and hydrogen ions. So what is saying in the assertion, a chemosensitive area is situated adjacent to the rhythm center. So they are highly adjacent to the rhythm center. Yes, this statement is absolutely true, because a chemosensitive area is present adjacent to the rhythm center. Yes, and it is very close to the rhythm center, and they are very highly sensitive to carbon dioxide and hydrogen ions. They are also called as chemosensitive. What is chemosensitive? They are sensitive. Yes. What is chemosensitive? Have chemical receptors which sense the presence of carbon dioxide and hydrogen ions. How it is sensing? When carbon dioxide is increased in our blood, H plus concentration automatically increases. H plus concentration will automatically increase, and this H plus concentration will lead to the fall in the pH. So it will make the blood acidic. It will make the blood acidic. So that acidic nature of blood will touch the chemoreceptors, will go to the chemoreceptors and say that uh, carbon dioxide concentration is increased, so low it like that. So chemosensitive areas are present in the situated adjacent to the rhythm center, which is highly adjacent to the rhythm center, and they are sensitive to carbon dioxide and hydrogen ion. So this statement is absolutely true. What the reason says, the role of oxygen in the regulation, the role of oxygen in the regulation of respiratory rhythm is quite insignificant. What is rhythm center? I forget to discuss that. What is rhythm center? So it is maintaining the oxygen and carbon dioxide rhythm pattern. So okay, the reason says that the role of oxygen in the regulation of respiratory rhythm is quite insignificant. This is also true statement, because we are not talking about in chemosensitive areas, we are not talking about oxygen role, because only carbon dioxide role is there. Because if carbon dioxide is increased in blood, then automatically pH will fall down, then blood will become acidic nature. But if oxygen is increased, there is no anything to say the chemoreceptors to stop that. So there is it is a quite insignificant role, right? So it is not in the regulation of respiratory rhythm, right? So this statement is also true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. As we say that assertion is discussing about the carbon dioxide chemosensitive area rhythm center, and reason is talking about the oxygen role in the respiratory rhythm center. So they are not related. They are not the reason is not the correct explanation of assertion, right? They are the correct statements, but they are not explaining each other. So which is the right answer here? Option A says that assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation. This is not the right answer, because they are not the correct explanation. And option B says that assertion and reason are true. Yes, they are both are true, and reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. This option B is the right answer here, because assertion and reason both are true, and they are not explaining each other. So reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. And option C says that assertion is true but the reason is false. No, both are true. And option D says that assertion and reason are false. This is also not the right answer. So option B is the right answer for the question. For this question, because chemosensitive area is adjacent to the rhythm center, which is present in the medulla oblongata, and it is highly sensitive to the carbon dioxide and hydrogen ions H plus. And reason says that role of oxygen in the regulation of respiratory rhythm is quite insignificant. And yes, it is very quiet. It is not at all visible in the respiratory rhythm. It is not at all involved in the respiratory rhythm regulation. So both the statements are true, and but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. So option B is the right answer here. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.